Never miss a Goldman Sachs EMI payment again. Here's your foolproof guide to staying on top of your loan, all from the comfort of your home. First, head over to the official Goldman Sachs website and locate the login portal. You'll need your unique user ID and password, so have those ready. Carefully enter your credentials and click Login. This will grant you secure access to your loan account dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate through your account dashboard. Look for a section clearly labeled Payments, Loan Management, or something similar. This is where you will find all your repayment options. Within the Payments section, you'll typically see different options to make a manual payment. Select Make a Payment. This will lead you to a screen where you can view your current EMI amount and the due date. Here, you'll choose your preferred payment method, whether it's from your linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. Enter the required details, ensuring accuracy. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything is correct, then click Confirm Payment to initiate the transaction. You'll usually receive an on-screen confirmation. For ultimate convenience, consider setting up automated payments. Look for the Set Up AutoPay or Recurring Payments option and follow the prompts to link your bank account for automatic EMI deductions each month. This ensures your payments are made on time without any manual intervention, saving you hassle and potential late fees. You can always revisit your dashboard to view payment history and confirm that your MS are being processed correctly. Staying on top of your loan repayments has never been easier or more secure.